I don't wanna suffer anymore. Oh, da la la, oh. Yeah, oh, da la la, oh, ah. Orí mi dákun, mo fẹ́ lówó. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi.
African waist like Tiwa. She want give me that work like Rihanna. Yeah. Cherry but she rotate TD like a tire. Yeah. She dey make man stand ovation. Abaka don't cause inflation for the nation. They say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial for you guys. So right now I'm just priming my face. All the products I'm going to use in this video I'm going to list down below. So now I've got my concealer in the colour fawn. I'm going to put that on my eyelids just to bake my eyelids. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. Gonna go in with a little brush, blend that in. Make sure you're blending a circular motion as well. So I feel like this part is self-explanatory, so just watch. As you can see already, I've done my eyebrows off camera because I struggle with that. So I didn't want to really show you guys my struggle. But now I'm going to go through with my eBox Cosmetics setting powder that I got from Instagram, my friend's brand. Just set my eyelid, you know what I mean? So make sure this tape popping. It's popping. Just watch what I'm doing. Ignore me, guys. I'm silly. So now I'm going to, because I'm not doing the eyeshadow, I'm just going to go through with my eyeliner and just draw the shit out of this eyelid. You know what I'm saying? But I struggle with this. So ignore me. I'm not going to show you guys this part because it's a struggle. So if you can see, then you can see. But I struggle with my eyeliner. I'm not the best, let's just say. But look at that. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. Look at it. Look at it. Yes, bitch, get that done. We got this. Ooh, look at that wing. Swoop. And I swoop. And I'll swoop. Okay, I need to stop. I need to stop. I really need to stop. It's not funny. I need to stop. So guys, just watch what I'm doing. Even the way I'm holding the eyeliner is funny. Oh yeah, if you know any tricks, any hacks, whatever those things are called that you think I should know to help me with my eyeliner, please feel free to let a sister know. I'm still learning, guys. Damn, look how long it's taking me to do one eyeliner. But I feel like it turned out pretty well. Don't judge. So I done my other eyeliner off camera because I didn't want to embarrass myself. So now I'm going to go with a thinner brush and just kind of conceal the side of my eyeliner to make sure he's defined, you know what I mean? Got my MUA foundation. Real bitches know about this. Put down my face, you know. Guys, I use T foundation, but just watch what I do. So now I'm going with my other foundation, a lighter foundation. I'm going to put that over it. My MUA foundation. Don't worry, guys. This all the products going to be in the description box. So I got you. I got you, baby. Now I'm going to go with my Real Technique brush. I don't know what this brush is called, but I know the brand is Real Technique. I'm going to blend that. As you can see, I'm blending out and in. I don't know, guys. I struggle with everything. I just need help, really. But I'm just going to blend. Just watch what I'm doing. Make sure you're getting them next. Because you don't want to look orange in your face and then black on your bottom, like your necks and stuff. It's not working. That's not the way. Go with the concealer. Yes, bitch. It's popping. I'm going to go through my concealer, put it down underneath my eyes, my nose, get, you know, the I use a foundation, but a dark foundation to contour. It's weird. I don't know what that does that. Put that over. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't put my contour on my actual jawline. I put it on top. Just because I feel like it makes more sense because I've got a really round face. So now I'm just going to blend that out. It's a struggle, but we're going to get this done. You just sit and watch. See what I'm doing. Get this done. Yes, bitch, we blending. We blending. We blending. We blending, blending. We blending. Alright, I need to stop. So now I'm going with a smaller brush. Going to get them eyes. Them under eyes. I don't know what this part is called. I think it's, what is this called? Highlight. No, this is not highlight. Oh, whatever, bitch. You know what I'm trying to say. So if you guys can see, yeah, I didn't really put concealer on my bottom lip. I just went over with the brush. So I'm gonna go with a lighter shade concealer. Don't worry, I'm gonna put this down below. I don't know what this part is called. So I'm gonna blend that out. This is for my beginners. This is literally, so I've gone to the drugstore, I think Boots or Superdrug, and I've got a few products and the hair shop as well, the concealer, just for like beginners. So this is not the product that I actually use. So as you can see, I'm struggling a bit to try and find the right shades. Just gonna, you know, bake my face. Bake my face. That sounds wrong, but we're gonna bake my face. Get the nose, babe. Get it. Yes, girl, get it. We're getting it. Yes, girl, get it. I keep turning because I'm taking stuff. So I don't really bake my face too tough. I just get a brush and I dab onto the powder and I just press it onto my skin. But you see the part where I contour, that bit I actually bake. Just watch what I'm doing. Y'all gonna understand what I'm doing. Just watch me. So I'm just gonna go over with the brush on my eyebrows. Wait a few minutes, but you know. But ooh, what's that? Whoa, 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 whoa. So instead of me waiting, I decided to do my eyelash just to while away time. So I'm gonna go over with my duo, and I'm just gonna put my lashes on. Because I got nails, I gotta use the tweezers and all, you know, to struggle. Get that. Oh, guys, ignore my friend in the background. She had to make an appearance. Damn. I don't know where this lashes is from anymore because I got it from AliExpress. But I can definitely put down some links below for some good lash products. If you want to go check it out, feel free to do so. You know I got my doll, man. I always got you, though. Ooh, damn, sis. You look sweet. So now I'm just going to take a brush, a bigger brush, and I'm going to take, literally, dust off the remaining powder from my face. Get them nose, get them nose, get them nose, get them nose, get them nose. Yes, look at it. Damn. Damn. Just gonna obviously set my face with a setting spray. Don't worry, guys, all the details is gonna be listed. So I actually contour my face with an eyeshadow palette because I just feel like it comes back. The pigment is better, so I use that. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. Oh my days, guys! If you can clock here, I got a darker shade, so I had to go off camera to basically blend that out. But now we're just contouring the nose. This is a very, very easy beginner friendly. So this is literally the basics of how you can do your makeup and come out nice. Now I'm just gonna go over with my baking powder, my setting powder. That's it. And then I'm just gonna dab onto my skin. Make sure we're getting away them ash lines, because you don't want to be taking pictures and all you can see is the ash lines, because it's not nice. We all know it's not nice. So we're just gonna do what we're gonna do. Make sure you're getting them necks. The necks is very important, ladies. You gotta make sure you're dabbing into the neck, baby. So now I'm just gonna go over and, you know, make sure my jawline be popping. You gotta make sure the shit popping. Am I the only one that does that? But just watch what I'm doing. Gonna blend. Blending is the key, guys. Blending. So now we're gonna make sure this eyeliner popping. Gotta make sure it's popping. Wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. And I whoop. Look at that. And I whoop. Ooh, damn. Damn. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. It's popping. The eyeliner popping. It's popping. Period. It's popping. Make sure you get the nose. I feel like my nose is the first thing people see. So you got to make sure it's all is right. Get them eyebrows as well. Make sure the eyebrows are popping. You want to make sure this whole shit popping. This is a very, very basic. This is not how I do my makeup, but this is a very beginner friendly makeup. So for all my beginners, I got you. Go with the black, I think it's a black eyebrow pencil. I just go over that with my bottom lid. Ooh, look at my lips. It's looking all nice and stuff. So now I'm just going with a brow pencil. This is the same brow I use for my eyebrow, but obviously I've got two. So I've got one for my brows and I've got one for my lips. I think I'm going to call this a lip liner just for the sake of this video, but it's actually an eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to go over that with my lips. Just kind of, yeah, lip liner. Now I'm going to go with a dark shade. I think it's a nude lip gloss. Is this a lip gloss? It's a matte lipstick. It's a matte lipstick. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, I'm going to use a brush to blend that in. We all know we got to have the lip gloss on point. The lip gloss has got to be out. The lip gloss got to be out. It's got to be out. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Now we got to make sure we're setting this shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And that's it, guys. See, that was cool.
You bust my way. Yeah.
Hey, I'm looking like a real mess right now. Wait for me. And I want to and I damn.
Yeah, you say you want to take control. The way she they do me, you beg my control. See the way you they roll it, you beg